Welcome to this video. Today, we'll explore the NinjaTrader Strategy Analyzer tool and how you can use it to backtest and fine-tune your indicator settings for optimal performance. If you backtest your indicator using default settings, it might look promising at first glance. But upon deeper analysis of historical trades, you may realize the settings aren't fully optimized for the best results. To solve this problem, you need to optimize your indicator settings. First, switch from backtest mode to optimization mode. Next, set the optimization objective to max net profit. Now, let's start by optimizing the swing length for both bull patterns and bear patterns. This strategy uses two instances of the ICT Unicorn indicator, allowing different settings for long and short trades. Expand the swing length variable. Set a range from 2 to 20 with an increment of 1. Then click Run to start the optimization process. After reviewing the results, we find that a swing length of 11 works best for bull patterns, and a length of 9 is optimal for bear patterns. Now let's update these values in the parameter list before moving on to the next optimization. Next, we'll optimize the ATR filter multiplier, and we'll do this in 2 iterations. For the first iteration, set the starting value from 0 to 1.5 ATR with an increment of 0.01. Then begin the optimization. The first iteration suggests an ATR multiplier value of 0.31 for the bull unicorn pattern. Let's update this in the parameters. Then proceed to optimize the bear ATR multiplier as set the same ranges as the previous iteration. The second iteration suggests an ATR multiplier value of 0.92 for the bear ATR multiplier. Update your parameters accordingly. Now let's refine our strategy further by optimizing the risk-to-reward ratio. Before we begin, switch the optimization objective to maximize profit factor. Set the risk range from 0.5 to 2 with an increment of 0.5, and the reward range from 0.5 to 4 using the same increment. Next, update the results on the parameters list and then repeat the process for risk-rewards parameters for the short trades. This ensures both long and short positions are optimized for the best risk-reward balance. Once you're satisfied with the optimized settings and backtesting results, you can save these parameters or update the default settings in your indicator. And that's it. You've successfully optimized your indicator using the NinjaTrader Strategy Analyzer. Thank you for watching. And as always, happy trading.